All right, if studying feels overwhelming because your notes are messy, too long, or hard to understand. Yeah, ChatGPT can help simplify a lot of that. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create study notes using ChatGPT in 2026, step by step. First, open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. Now collect the material you want to study. This could be class notes, research articles, textbook chapters, or lecture summaries. One of the easiest ways to create study notes is by summarizing large amounts of information into shorter key points. You can ask ChatGPT to organize information into headings, bullet points, or chapter summaries. If a topic feels confusing, ask ChatGPT to explain it in simpler language. You can even ask for explanations suitable for beginners or students. ChatGPT can also generate flashcards, quiz questions, and practice tests automatically. You can convert summaries into complete study guides for exams or assignments. For subjects with comparisons or data, ask ChatGPT to organize notes into tables and lists. If your notes sound messy or confusing, ChatGPT can rewrite them more clearly and professionally. You can save prompts for note summaries, quizzes, explanations, and study guides to speed up future studying. Always review and verify important information instead of relying entirely on AI summaries. AI can sometimes simplify things too much or make mistakes. ChatGPT works best when combined with active studying techniques like practice questions, repetition, and revision. And yeah, that's how you create study notes using ChatGPT in 2026. Once you learn how to organize information with AI properly, studying becomes faster, clearer, and way less stressful.